Press the power button. Press Wi-Fi button. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on the screen with your phone. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password. Generate a QR code. Press the Wi-Fi button. Scan the QR code. Press the Wi-Fi button twice to skip setup. AI infrared sensing mode. You can view the AI nail recognition up to 5 times. On the 6th use, a video will play automatically. Double press the AI button to skip the video and get 5 more AI recognition views. For base coat or color gel is 30 seconds. For hard to cure gel or color gel is 90 seconds. For builder or extension gel is 75 seconds. For top gel is 120 seconds. Press the volume button to adjust the volume. Optional accessory, wireless keyboard. Press the keyboard power button. Hold button AI and button B for 3 seconds, then press AI lamp power button. Wait, indicator flashes. Hold AI button until indicator flashes. Put in press on set. Then press gel buttons. Short press 1 second, turn screen on, off. Long press 2 to 3 seconds, activate memory mode. To save a timer, press a timer button, then long press the memory button. To cancel, long press again. Timer resets to 75 seconds.